So here we are, we want to decide which gun is the right gun for concealed carry. There's so many choices and so many options when we go to the gun store, it can be overwhelming for most people. There's two major things that we want to consider. What is our threat level, and what is the ability for us to actually conceal the gun that we want to carry? As we go into this video, we're going to really get into the details of each one of those topics so we can break down to help you decide what is the right gun for you. There's a lot of people who will talk about, the right brand or model gun, and the reality of it is this: there isn't one gun that is perfect for everybody. We have to figure out what's right for your personal situation, and this is the thing. When we go to get a concealed carry gun, or go to choose a gun at all, right? When we're in the store, there's a lot of stuff that might seem really cool and really practical, but then what happens is when we actually go to carry it, a lot of things change. So what we want to take into consideration is this. We want to look 4 months down the road. Nothing's happened. I've been carrying this thing every day, all day. I've never had someone threaten my life. I've never needed to use the firearm. At this point in time, we want to have the right gun that as complacency starts to set in, we don't go, I don't really need this today, or I don't need to bring it here. So there's some environmental factors we want to take into consideration. Is it concealable? And what, most importantly, is what is our threat level? How likely am I to actually have to use this thing for self-defense? These different topics will help us identify what is that right gun, because this is the thing. The best gun that we can carry is the one that we will actually take with us every single day when we leave our home. If not, what's the point?